This tutorial demonstrates how to manage agencies and agents in the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn to add agencies, invite agents, and utilize the agent portal effectively. To access agencies, on the sidebar menu, scroll down and click on Recruiters Hub. In Recruiters Hub, click on Actions and then Add New to create a new agency. Provide the agency name and information such as phone number, email, country, and city. Add the commission rate, commission type, and include a description and other relevant details about the agency. Once complete, click Next. In Step 2, you can invite agents to join this agency by sending them an invitation to validate their account and access the agent portal. You can add one or multiple agents. When the agent details are added, click Finish to create the agency. On the main Recruiters Hub page, you can view the existing agencies, the number of applicants, and agents for each agency. You can view the agency by clicking on the agency name or from the drop-down actions, select View. In the agency profile, you can view the Applicants tab, showing the applicants processed by this agency, the agents linked to this agency, and the Finance tab. From the list of actions, you can also edit an agency or unapprove an agency, which once selected will deactivate the agency and agents. You can edit an agent profile and update the information. Add a different commission rate, which will override the inherited agency commission. Click Finish to save the changes made to the agent profile. In the Agent Profile under the Students tab, you can view the list of applicants initiated and processed by the agent. From Recruiters Hub, you can import agencies and agents into HEMSP Student Portal. Also, the agents have their own portal where they can submit applications on behalf of students. Agents can access their portal, check the added applicants, and process submissions. They can initiate bookings or new applications and pay invoices on behalf of the student. This tutorial guided you through managing agencies and agents within the HEMSP Student Portal, including adding agencies, inviting agents, viewing details, editing profiles, and using the agent portal.